Okay, welcome everyone as we learn the Mishna Yomis for Wednesday evening, and we're in the fourth parak of Kesuvos, learning Mishnah Hey and Mishnah Vav, sponsored Le'ilui Nishmas Chaim ben Avram ben Yom Beinish, L'schus Avram ben Yom Beinish b'Malk Yudis and family. L'Refuah Shalema for Yomis by the Fisher family, L'Nishmas Basi Bas Robert, Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain, by Yol Klugman and family, L'Refuah Shalema for Avigdor ben Rivka, and Meir ben Chayesara. L'Olam Hebrew Shusa of. The daughter is always under the domain of the father when she's a Ketana or a Nara. That's until she's 12 and a half and 1 day. Until she enters the domain of the husband for marriage. Now, even before the marriage is consummated, she could enter the domain of the husband. How? If the father gives her over to the agents of the husband, she's already in the rishus of the husband. But if the father accompanied the messengers of the husband, or the messengers of the father accompanied the messengers of the husband, she's not yet out of the rishus of the father. But if the father gave it to his agents, and his agents were met by the agents of the husband, and the agents of the father handed her over to the agents of the husband, then she's in the domain of the husband, and then he gets her lost articles, and he gets her salary, etc. A father is not required to support his daughter. Now, first of all, this is talking about when she's older than 6. Peutais, when she's younger than 6, the father has to support her. But once she's older than 6, the father is not required to support her. Of course, Bezdin, if they see he's not supporting her, his children, they can embarrass him to make him support his children. But they can't forcibly take funds from him unless he's a wealthy man. And Zeb Medrash Darish Rabbi Elazar ben Azariah Lifnei Chacham. This exposition, this extrapolation, did Rabbi Elazar ben Azariah say before the sages in Kerem Yavna, that's the yeshiva of Yavna, to prove that a father doesn't have to support his young daughter. It says, Abonim Yershu, the sons inherit a father, because we know if there's sons and daughters, the sons get the inheritance. Habonim Yershu, Vabonos Yizainu. But the daughters get support. And Rav Elazar ben Azariah says, Mo habonim ein yoshin el lacha misasav, just like the sons only inherit after their father dies. Af habonos ein nizainis el lacha misasavian. The daughters only get support after their fathers die, but during the lifetime, once they're more than 6, the father doesn't have a chiyuv to support them. Of course, morally and ethically, he should support them, but he doesn't have a chiyuv to support them. We want to thank you very much for joining us, and have a wonderful evening.